Hey there, folks. I just got my delivery from Amazon. Sorry, from FLAVOUR BEAST through FedEx. And it's the new Level X vape. This had a plastic wrap on the outside of it. I already took that off. What do we get inside? USB-C cord. This in. What do we got here? Metallic black. A booklet. This is the battery pack. Pretty nice looking. I suppose I should get that charging right away. I don't know if it's charged or not. I guess we can find out. Alright, and I got iced wild white grape. Warning, this contains nicotine. Poison. Nice packaging. Level up. Oh, I can smell it already. It smells good. Sticker on the bottom protecting the contacts. Nice looking unit for sure. There we go. Fits together nice. Very nice. Oh, I see. And you can change it whichever way you put it is the airflow. So this is low airflow, and then if I switch it around the other way, it's high airflow. Oh, there's a little rubber gasket in here. Smart as well. That is tasty. Very nice. Level X FLAVOUR BEAST Wild White Grape. Nicely done. I like it. And it comes pre-charged. Alright, folks, there you go. I recommend.